hike around the Nitmaluk National Park.
I like it, eh? It's just good to be out in nowhere and it's free. It's brilliant.
Because I've just seen all these people chilling out on their floaties and noodles, and I'm not the strongest swimmer,
We've
so
been
I'm
to
just
like
there.
3 Kmarts and we can't find one.
Yeah.
It's like one of those places you don't expect.
Not at all. It wasn't even really on my radar until a couple days ago, and when we came down those stairs just then, I was just blown away. It's so cool.
What's going on, guys? We're back again. We're in a bit enthusiastic there. We're in Litchfield National Park here in the Northern Territory, and I can hear a waterfall.
Day 1 exploring, and our first stop is Florence Falls.
Yep, apparently it's the main attraction here, so we've come here first, and it's I can see it in the background. It looks pretty cool.
Oh, wow.
So we're going to get down there and see what it's like. Alrighty, that is definitely a must-see in Litchfield National Park.
You can see why it's so popular.
Definitely.
And the temperature is just perfect down there, so it'll be such a good place to escape the heat during
Yep.
the day. Didn't go for a swim, but still pretty cool.
It was wicked.
So there's actually 2 ways that you can access it. You can take the stairs down, which is 450 metres, or you can do a loop around, which is 1 kilometre. So we took the stairs down, and now we're taking this way back.
Because we ain't taking those stairs back up, mate.
And came to a point just back there, and there were just thousands of well, maybe not thousands, but hundreds of butterflies. It was almost like that gorge that we visited the other day. It's so cool.
There was a massive fly on the camera, sandfly.
Oh, we can walk to that rock hole from here.
Oh, really?
Do you want to go 1.5 kilometres?
Not really. I want to drive there.
Oh, okay.
We'll have that conversation off screen. But while we're here, we forgot to tell you that last night we stayed at a caravan park just down the road from Litchfield National Park.
It was like a family-owned one. It was called Zebra Stone.
Yeah, Zebra
So
Stone.
it was a campground and a gallery.
Yeah.
And it is where they mine this zebra stone.
Yeah, so it's got a 1.2 billion year old rock in the ground, I'm guessing. Rock formation. And they mine it and they polish it, and it comes out like this nice zebra rock, and they make tables and all kinds of things.
Jewelry, artwork, it was so cool.
Yeah, and that's not the only main attraction there. We went there as well because they do these scones. They're famous scones apparently.
Homemade.
And they were.
So much jam and cream.
Oh,
and
they were magnificent.
Perfect.
They were that's the word for it, magnificent. So if you're coming to this national park, definitely make that your start. I reckon you go there.
Yeah, I mean, considering it was
Have
the
scone.
exact same price for us to visit that one.
That fly's not going away.
It was the exact same price for us to visit that one as it was to visit a national park.
Yeah, it was
one.
$20, so it's pretty good.
And everyone was really spread out, and I've heard that the national park ones get quite busy. So yeah, it was really, really good, and supporting a
Local, small business. And the lady behind the counter is very nice.
Yes.
So we're off to the rock pools now.
Yep.
Let's go.
Those rock holes are really cool, hey?
Yeah, they were good.
Could
Big thumbs up.
easily spend all day down there, because even though you know, it would probably get a bit busy like the waterfall, but because there's 4 pools, as soon as one gets busy you can just jump out of one and hop into another one, so it's cool.
But this place is even better.
Yeah, now we've come to, they call it the Lost City.
Yep.
And it literally looks like the remains of an ancient civilization.
Yeah, it does.
But what it actually is I think 500 million or something like that, 500 million year old sandstone that's just been eroded over the years to look like
it's amazing.
These giant pillars. It's so cool.
And again, it just comes out of nowhere.
Yeah, so it was
pops up.
10-kilometre four-wheel drive track to get here.
Yeah, you can only have a 4-wheel drive, and also it says no buses or caravans, but if you're a bit of a rule breaker, you could you could get your camper trailer in easily.
Instant karma for breaking the rules.
Yeah, instant karma for breaking the rules. Slip down the rock. But yeah, this is awesome. This is another one. This is one you should definitely come and see as well.
Yeah, this is really cool.
It's starting to look like you could do the whole Litchfield National Park in 1 or 2 days. One day you could rush it. You could do it.
But I don't know, you wouldn't be able to enjoy it.
Yeah, so 2 days,
One
or
day,
2 or 3 days, you could definitely do it. It's pretty nice so far.
Yeah.
But yeah, anyway, we're going to finish this loop. Only experienced drivers with high clearance vehicles should attempt this track. We got no problems, mate. Most experienced driver in the world right here. What's it called? I don't even want to try to pronounce that.
I don't know if the T is silent or if the J is silent.
Let's just say
it's either Jaynera or Jaynera.
Jaynera Falls, 9-kilometre track, off-road, and there's a river crossing apparently, so we are going to hit it, and let's hope to God it's not hectic, because they made it sound hectic. They might just say that to scare people off, but we're going in. Here we go. Look at that, mate. This is the longest water crossing we've done. Whee, looks pretty big, eh? Right, we're going in. Look how deep we are. Whoa! You can tell we're amateurs. That's the longest and deepest crossing we've done so far. That was awesome.
That's cool.
Hopefully there's some more.
I like it.
Hopefully there's no water in the car.
How lucky was that, eh?
Hey?
How lucky were we?
Oh, mate, scored the last campsite.
It's only 1:15 as well, so... It's only 1:15, So must get pretty bloody busy.
Yeah, but we've only got a $50 note and it's $10 each, so we're not putting the money in the thing unless someone comes, because we didn't know. We tried to research it, we couldn't figure it out.
Well, someone did say on Wikicamps that a ranger comes around, so
so hopefully a ranger comes. Otherwise it might be a little sneaky free camp. Sorry guys.
Hey, we're allowed one on the entire lap of Australia.
Yeah, far out. We've never done a sneaky camp where you're not meant to. So
where am I pointing the camera?
So this might not be the this might be the first time. But this orange is good.
Yeah, can I have some?
Oh, yeah. So Megan, what's the plans for the rest of the day, mate?
Just relax, eh?
Just relax, eh? Classic. It's so much nicer out here than inside, eh?
Yeah, it's so good. Finally getting some use out of the awning.
So hot in the car.
Not used to this heat, eh? Gotta get used to it again.
It seems to be getting me more than you.
Yeah. I don't know, maybe you need to invest in some of the sunnies because it's getting the eyes.
Yeah, it's getting my eyes, and I think all the driving and the wind hitting my eyes because I like the window down. So I think that's what's getting me as well. But yeah, the sun's getting to me a lot.
It's because you're not swimming in the cold water, refreshing waterholes.
I might just have to start swimming, guys.
Yeah.
I'm mad, aren't I? But anyway, I'm going to cook this curry. Some glorious curry. I'm going to start it nice and early today, so we can. There's the chicken there, the lovely legs, the famous lovely legs, mate. So we can hopefully have the chicken falling off the bone, eh? Does it sound good?
Yeah, it doesn't feel like curry weather right now though, so hopefully it should be good.
Yeah, when it cools down, it'll be ready when it's cooled down. So, all right, let's get cooking. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. A very full pot of chicken lovely leg curry. See you in the morning. Good morning. It is a beautiful day and we are off to a waterfall this morning.
That's part of the reason we stayed at this campground.
Not just because of a water crossing.
Nice and close. It's just a 3.4 kilometre return hike from the campground. So yeah, we're off nice and early, hopefully get it to ourselves.
Nobody's in the car park, so...
But one thing I would suggest is to wear proper shoes, because this is the one and only time we decided to wear our thongs down. It was a bit difficult. I nearly lost my thongs down the side of a cliff at one point, so...
But if we were wearing our hiking shoes, we wouldn't be getting through here.
Well, we'd have to take our shoes off or have squishy socks.
Yeah. So we're going to tackle this, and I'm pretty sure we're almost...
I'd say
we're almost there, so... Let's see what this waterfall looks like.
Wow, look how black my feet are.
Yeah, clean them up, mate. Is it cold?
No.
Alright, let's go. You reckon, Megan?
Oh my god. This is amazing.
No matter how many waterfalls you go to, they just keep getting better and better.
Well, this is the first one in a very long time that we've had all to ourselves, so I think that's got something to do with it.
Yeah.
Oh,
it's spectacular.
God. And the water's not very cold either. Be a hell nice swim.
Yep. Taking it in, mate. Taking it in. Have a look at it. Megan's just swum across the whole water pool to get a free noodle, mate. She's stoked. Look at the smile on her face.
Okay, so that was a lot more of a hike than we're expecting to do today. We saw 1.7 kilometers and we thought that sounds easy, we'll just do that little loop, but it was actually like up to a massive viewing platform and then down a bunch of rocky stairs. So
Pretty good.
Are we having potato salad as well?
Oh, yeah, found potato salad.
We're having our fancy sandwich that we only have on occasion when we're feeling naughty because it's not the healthiest. It's
avocado,
got so much butter and cheese in it, but it's so good.
Gotta have cheese, mate, and tomato. And then, yeah, it's like a toasty, eh?
Yeah.
It's brilliant. But, guys, that's Litchfield National Park done in 2 days.
Yeah, I think 2 days
was pretty good.
Pretty good. I think we saw everything we wanted to see. And
yep, we're all waterfalled out now.
Yeah, I think so.
But, I mean, every time you see a different waterfall, it's just spectacular.
Yeah.
It never gets old.
I would say, yeah, 2 days would be pretty perfect. Bring your pool noodle.
Bring your
poo noodle, or just find one if you get lucky like I did. What else was there?
Let your tyres down on the corrugations.
Yeah, I'd say let your tyres down there because we didn't yesterday, but we did this morning and it felt a lot better.
Massive difference.
Yeah.
And don't be scared of the water crossing. And definitely go to that campsite.
Yeah, that was a really good one.
We could go on and on and on. But we'll see you next episode, guys.
We'll see you then. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like. And if you're new, please subscribe and we'll see you next time.
See you later. We've made it to Darwin. Are you going to take that payment now or later?
Yeah.
I cried 5 times.
It's so good.
Not gonna lie.
I only cried twice.
Had a few tears coming out. I reckon I'm gonna have a feast tonight. I want to get some meat. But I don't know. Don't know what kind of meat. I wonder if they give us life jackets.
No, they don't.
Classic. You don't even need them. You're dead.